In this video, you'll learn how to automate Twitter using n8n, a powerful workflow automation tool. By the end of this guide, you will have set up a Twitter automation workflow that streamlines your social media activities. Begin by navigating to the n8n platform, open your preferred web browser, and enter the n8n URL to access the home page. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface with various options available for creating workflows. Next, locate and click on the section labeled Workflows. This option is usually found in the main navigation menu. After selecting Workflows, the screen will display your current workflows along with options to create new ones. After that, find the Templates option within the Workflows section. Click on it to access a variety of pre-made templates that can help you get started quickly. You will see a list of available templates designed for different purposes. Once the templates page is open, look for a search bar at the top of the page. Click on this search bar to activate it, allowing you to enter specific terms related to your needs. Now type in Twitter automation into the search bar and press the enter key. The interface will refresh, displaying templates specifically catered to automating Twitter tasks. Take a moment to review the options presented to you. Next, click on the template that fits your automation needs. This action will take you to a detailed view of the selected template where you can review its features and what it automates. After reviewing the template, locate the button labeled Use for Free and click on it. This will initiate the process of utilizing the template for your own automation needs. You may need to wait a moment as the system prepares the template for your use. Once the template is ready, you will see an option to import template to own workspace. Click on this button to bring the selected automation into your personal n8n workspace. Ensure that you have sufficient storage in your sufficient storage as larger workflows may require more space. Finally, confirm the import by following any on-screen prompts. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the template has been successfully imported into your workspace. You are now ready to customize and activate your Twitter automation as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.